Hello everyone. So welcome back to a new project idea video in Codersarts. So in this video we are going to discuss a new project idea which is known as the women's job application. We are going to empower the women with the career opportunity. So as we can see, like there is a lot of opportunities for the women, but in remote areas the women are not able to get some idea like which job is available in the market or which job is not available in the market. So that's why we are going to create this application to provide a platform for the women, and which is going to empower them with their career opportunity. So let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction, we can see like we have given the project name is known as the women's job application. What is the objective of creating this application? We are going to develop an Android application that help women to find job opportunity tailored with their skill and their preferences. So who are the target audience? Target audience is basically women's job seeker, career changers, and the professionals who are looking for the flexible work option. So these are the basic target audience that we are going to focus. So let's move to the market overview and the problem statement. So current challenges, like you can see, lack of the targeted job platform for the women. So there is lack of job platform for the women, so we are going to provide this, and difficulty in finding the flexible work option, and women friendly companies, limited source for understanding the company culture and the work life balance. So the major factor that faced by the women is the work life balance, so we are going to provide these resources as well for understanding the company cultures and the work life balance. So what is the solution that we are going to provide? Basically the women's job application provide a platform for especially for women, offering the job listing and company insight and the career resources. So let's move to the key feature that we are going to provide in our application. So first key feature is the advanced job search jobs by the keywords, location, industry and company, and many more, and filter the result based on the work flexibility, remote option, and the part-time roles. So, and secondly, we are going to create notification and job alerts. So we are going to set up the personalized job alerts for a new posting of the matching criteria, and after that we are going to receive the notification for the application and deadlines and interview schedules. And thirdly, we are going to show the company insights that the user is going to be access the information of the company culture, diversity policies, and the employee benefits, and they were also able to read the reviews and the current and the former female employees. So, and the fourth thing that we are going to provide is the salary information, like what the salary that they were going to pay to the various roles. So we are going to view the salary ranges for the different role and industry. We compare the salaries across the companies and the location. And fifth one is the career resource. So we are going to access the access to the resume building tools, interview tips, and negotiation advices. And we are going to provide the article and videos on the career growth, work life balance, and the networking. So implementation plan that we are going to use for creating this application, we are going to use UI design. We are going to design a clean and intuitive interface for the easy navigation and the filtering option. In this application we need a backend as well, so we are going to develop the backend. So implement a robust database for the job listing and the user profile and the company information. And secondly, we are going to develop the feature job alert notification and the personalized recommendation. And the third one, we are going to provide the front end development. We are going to using the modern framework like Kotlin and the Android Jetpack for the smooth user experience. Finally, we are going to do the some testing, perform the extensive testing to ensure the user functionality and the performance and the security. And at last but not the least, we are going to deploy our application, which is the deployment phase, and we are going to launch our application on the Google Play Store and promote it through the various channels. So basically these are the basic implementation plan that we are going to use for implementing this application. So let's move to the next part. What is the benefits and the future scope? So basically, what are the benefit here? You can see for user there is a tailored job search inside the women friendly companies and the valued career. For employer, we are going to access the diverse pool of the talented female candidate. For developers, experience with the latest Android technology and the user-centric design. And secondly, we are going to create the future enhancement. We are going to integration of AI and the job matching personalized career advice. Feature for mentorship and the networking opportunities. Expansion to the include the internship and the freelance opportunity for the entrepreneurial resources. So these are the things that we are going to provide. And thank you. So if you have continue with this idea, or you have any other idea, you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. So if you need any other assignment or the coding project, or help, any type of help in these coding project and assignments, you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you very much.